Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now by locking awake time and committing to it every day. Consistency resets your circadian rhythm. Once set, reduce light and screens 60 minutes before bed to boost melatonin release, and avoid caffeine after 6 hours pre-sleep so sleep pressure can build. Make a short wind down, 10 minutes of deep breathing, 5 minutes gentle stretching, and a calm snack under 200 kcal if needed. These prerequisites speed change. Follow them tonight to start reclaiming sleep. You now reshape sleep by tightening the sleep window. Track total sleep for a week and reduce time in bed to that average plus 15-30 minutes, which consolidates sleep and raises sleep drive. Make naps short, under 20 minutes, and time workouts earlier than 4 hours before bed to avoid late arousal. Once done, reinforce the bed as only for sleep and intimacy by practicing a 20-30 minute ritual, cool room, low light, same cues, so your brain relearns the bedroom's purpose. You finish by extending your sleep window slowly. When nightly sleep efficiency exceeds about 85%, add 15-30 minutes to time in bed so sleep stabilizes without fragmentation. If needed, consider low-dose melatonin 0.30, 5 mg 1 to 2 hours before bed to shift timing, but keep it short-term while behavioral changes take hold. If you lie awake more than 20 minutes, get up and do a quiet activity until sleepy, then return. This troubleshooting step prevents bed-wake associations from reversing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.